Hi guys! So today I'll be taking over to my sister's YouTube channel and we're going to open this one. Guess what's this? Guess nyo muna. I can hear you. Okay na yan? Sige na. Oh, let's open. Hoy!
Ganyan talaga maghawak ng
Be
cutter.
careful because it's so sharp. Oh my gosh. Giving. Is it giving? What's this? Ate, ikip mo yan. And what's this? Guess what? It's a freaking stand. This is it. Are you happy to see this, guys? I hope you are. Bye! That's it. Parang scene lang to ata sa kwarto eh, no?
Nasaan ba yun? Nasira na?
Hindi nandito sa kwarto. Patay nga.
Ba, nag-help si Yuwin. Nag-help si Yuwin, oh. Nag-help si Yuwin, oh.
Mag-ibabadingan lang naman yung kaya niyang gawin.
Oh, ipakita mo kay Hi, guys. Kaya unday kung ano to.
After opening this one, guys, we're now going to open this. Guess what's this? It's already written here. If you cannot read, I don't know how. What else? Whatever. Yan. So we're going to open this ring fill light. So what do you think? It's this. Oops. What's that? Oh, it has this thing. Do you know what these are? I hope you know.
Ayos natin.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. So, what we're going to do right now is that... Uy! Go away! Ayoko ng bading!
Oh, da.
What we're going to do is that we're going to... Oh, here, guys. It's so hot here. I cannot. Ano ba? Bading ka ba? Kulit mo.
Alam mo yung nagbablog ka, ang daming commercial.
So that's it, guys. We're going to, you know, insert it here. It's supposed to look like this one. And then you're gonna twist it up until you cannot twist it anymore. Because if you cannot twist it anymore, then that's already an indication of ano ba? Paano ba to? Ano ba yan? Kung hindi lang talaga to para sa hindi ko to gagawin. But, okay, so what we're going to do is that, going back, we're going to twist it here, but I don't know why I cannot twist it here. But it's supposed to be this way. I don't know what's happening with this.
Baka kailangan doon.
I don't know.
Isabit mo na doon. Ang taas naman yan.
So it's here. So once you already like, diba? Ang dami nagaganap sa bahay na to. Saan ba kayo makikinig? Sa akin o sa kanila? Diba? Nakakalito ka pa. So after that, you're going to get this one and then you're going to twist it here. It's supposed to look like this one. And then what you're going to do after this is that you're going to put it here, but based on your preference, you could like make it longer or not, depending on your liking. But for me and my sister, we both like long things. So, we prefer it this way. So, what you're going to do after that is that you're going to twist it so it could look like this. And then after that, you're going to twist it here. You're going to twist it here. It's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like this. But I don't know, I cannot twist it. Maybe this one is Japeke or what? I don't know.
Sa Shopee na.
It's like this. Yeah, so once you already twist it in its proper position, what you're going to do is that you're going to make it taller or shorter depending on your liking. But for me, I prefer it this way. And then after this, you're going to just insert this one to any like outlets that you have in your household. Kung meron kayong kuryente, well, mayaman kayo. In our case, since super yaman namin, we're going to put it in our aircon. Char. No. Saan ba? Wala naman kaming... Bading ka ba?
Next.
Next, once you already set it up like this,
Mm.
what you want to do is that you're going to put it in a flat surface, and then after that, you're going to get yourself a, what do you call this again? This
Connector?
Is this is an adapter.
I
So
adapt.
what you're going to do is that the other end of the, what's this, ring light, you're going to like insert it here, all V, and then you're going to plug it here. After that, you will see like a blue color on the
Ring light.
on the switch of the ring light. Then after that, you're just going to press the blue one. And see, I can also pick any colors. We have here one color, and then I think this is neutral. I don't know. And also this one is,
Dim.
no, this is not.
Yellow.
I think so. It's
Orange.
yellow. I don't know.
Orange.
And then you could also like lower down the intensity of the, the light. You could make it a bit smoother and lighter depending on your preferences. But for us, I don't know. I'm not going to use this one, so you go ask my sister, not me. So that's it, guys. Goodbye and thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from me because I learned something as well. Bye!
So, saan niya na-order?
We ordered this one on Shopee. You could like check this shop. I don't know what shop this is.
Asan? Never
But
again.
this was ordered from TikTok shop.
Mm.
I just searched like ring light. It cost like around, I don't know,
106.
160 pesos.
Oh, yeah.
160 pesos. Yeah, so that's it. Bye, guys.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.